Hi everyone, it's Craig here, and I'm just going to run. Hi, it's Craig here. I just want to run through the unit information. This is what you would have got in the mail, the Computer for Tertiary Study unit information, and I'm just going to run through it with you so that you're familiar with it. Basically, there's different sections. There's introduction, unit organisation, study resources, and support and resources, as well as a study plan and assessment information. I'm just going to go through it very quickly. This is a brief introduction and where your lectures can be contacted. This is obviously the duration of weeks, which is 12 weeks. And this outlines your expected learning outcomes. We also have a few things that you need to be aware of, that you need to participate no less than 80%. That's really basically for internal students. Read the announcements regularly and respond to emails from lecturers in a timely fashion, and to look through the study guide and complete all assessments and weekly tasks. As I've said before, on a number of occasions, I'll be communicating via the discussion forum, and only on personal situations or requests where you need to email me. I just want to cut down that email traffic and be much more effective, because many of the questions that you do ask may apply to more than one student. There's also commitment of time, so you can see the externals approximately 10 hours weekly. So this does change from time to time, depending if you're doing your assignments or you're just doing the activities. A little bit on LearnLine, and as we come through to the next section, which is study resources, you'll note that there's no set text, and it's the information that you get in the mail, and obviously a backup of that information is on LearnLine as an electronic file, and these are the prerequisites that you need. Useful websites, which are quite good as providing some additional information to those people with 2003, some online tutorials and typing tests, which are quite useful to participate in. These are some information with regard to resources. Also too, we have contact information, which is quite useful, and we also have the study plan, which I'm highlighting now, which is over the 12 weeks of contact time. Obviously there's 2 revision weeks with that as well. It outlines not only the topics but the tasks that are needed and the assessment, which are very important to be aware of. Assessment information. This is basically 3 assessments: assignment 1, assignment 2, assignment 3. One's a portfolio, one's a Word project, and one is a integrated project which incorporates PowerPoint and Excel. The value of those are at 40, 30, 30, and the due weeks dates for those are as listed. And as we go through here, you'll see also that we've got the assignments here. It stipulates the dates of those individual tasks as well, so just make sure that you do submit those in on time. There's a 50% penalty, so make sure you get them in on time. If you're over that date for this particular unit, just email me before the date. Okay. So this is basically what's required in the portfolio. This is due in incremental parts, so week 2, some of week 2, some is week 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 13, so make sure you follow those. And here's a marking criteria in which how we mark it, and looking at the individual activities there. Portfolio assignment 2 is a Word project, and it stipulates the task, the preparation, So looking at topics 4 to 8 and the submission, and also assessment criteria. So it's got all these instructions, and that's complete assignment there. And as I'm going through this, you'll see at the bottom there is a marking criteria with that too. So with every specific assignment there's a marking criteria, so do check that out to see how we mark it. And once again, the integrated project, which is the last one in week 14, which makes up 30%. Once again, first of all, there's the specific assignment and the marks associated with that. So in this case, the two are in one. I hope that you've gone through that with me and have some understanding of what you needed to do. Make sure you do look at your emails. You get a weekly email and participate in the discussion forums with the computing. Thank you.